Thank you. I am the wife of Chief Justice Moore. We've been married for 30 years. We have 4 children and 3 grandchildren. But I'm also the president of the Foundation for Moral Law. It is a 501c3 organization right down there on the corner across from the fountain. And we are fighting for your rights, given by God and protected under our Constitution. We are here and we have a table set up down here, and you're welcome to stop by and sign up for newsletters. We have pamphlets on sale that are the Constitution and the Declaration. They also contain Blackstone's commentaries, which is where a lot of our law came from. It's based on the Bible. Please feel free and stop by. There are many other groups here today. Look around you and thank them. We all need your help. We are on the front lines. We're fighting groups like the ACLU, Southern Poverty Law Center, and Free Thought Association, who despise everything to do with God. Please pray for us and please support us. Chief Justice Moore is not here. There are cases before the Supreme Court, and even though he has not voted on them, he does not want his appearance to have any sway with opinions. It's called judicial ethics, something that Ruth Bader Ginsburg needs to learn. I am a sinner, saved by grace. I am not perfect, nor do I claim to be. But I am about my Father's business, as a friend of mine reminded me before she died. Many call us heroes, but I don't consider us that. Heroes are our men and women who have served and are serving our country in the military and missions. People like Noah Galloway from Alabama, not someone who is supposed to be a man that dresses like a girl. Thank you for coming. It is hot, and many have come a long way to take a stand. So thank you for your stand. I would also like to say we appreciate the Alabama Supreme Court elected by you, not appointed, I might add, which is what they're wanting. Our Alabama Supreme Court took a stand in this case in Alabama. We are the only state in the union that we have stopped federal courts from mandating same-sex marriage. 23 states in our union have allowed federal courts to mandate same-sex marriage. Alabama was scheduled to be number 24, but thanks to the brave men and women elected and not appointed on our Supreme Court, same-sex marriage has been stopped in this state. While other officials sadly did nothing, our Supreme Court in Alabama stood. In the history of our country, federal courts and government have no authority over marriage. We as Christians need to take a stand against tyranny, which is now the federal government. Finally, my brother, be strong in the Lord and the power of his might. Put on the whole armor of God, that you may be able to stand against the wiles of the devil. Wherefore, take unto you the whole armor of God, that you may be able to stand. Stand therefore. All across this nation, Alabama's been an example of states' rights. Our motto is, we dare defend our rights. All up and down Dexter Avenue, you see examples of Alabama taking a stand. Martin Luther King from Dexter Avenue Baptist Church, which began the civil rights movement, to the steps here, where Jefferson Davis was sworn in as the president of the Confederacy. Alabama has been an example befitting our motto. Thank you for coming and taking a stand for marriage, which is between one man and one woman. It is the foundation of our society and our republic. Marriage is an institution ordained of God. No judge or any other civil authority has a right to redefine it. We can no longer sit quietly by while federal judges take from us our God-given rights. We will need more officials who will stand. You, church, pastors, hold your elected officials accountable. Vote godly men and women who do what they say. My husband was president of the foundation before he became your Chief Justice. While they fought for religious freedom all across our nation, they maybe had one case here home in Alabama. But since I've been president in the last 3 years, here in Alabama, the cases are far too many to even mention. So you might ask why. Because we're the Bible Belt. Some call us the buckle of the Bible Belt. And it's been said that if they can break us, then the rest of the country will follow. So what are we to do? Be about our Father's business. It's not everyone else's responsibility. It's not pastor's job alone. We are all ministers of God. So number one, we need to pray. No man is going to fix this mess. Only God, through his people who pray. Number two, know the gospel, for the truth shall set you free. Number three, get involved, take action, and vote. People are here to get involved with, and they need your help. We need your help. Last, stand. All he wants is for us to stand, and he'll take care of the rest. Christians are going to have to take Christ out of the walls of the church and take a stand and be about the Father's business. Thank you, and God bless this state, and God bless America.